Hello, my name is Florian and I am your PLC coach. After nearly a year of hard work, the time has finally come. My PLC Basic Course is now complete and you can start today. In this video, I will show you what's waiting for you inside and why you definitely don't want to miss it. Let's go! In the course, we start right from the beginning. No prior knowledge required. First, I will explain what the PLC actually is, what hardware and software are used, and how to install Siemens TA Portal programming software. You don't need a real PLC or any expensive software for this course. I will show you how to create a virtual PLC on your computer and use free trial versions of the TA Portal. Together, we will build a virtual training system without spending extra money. In the second chapter, we will dive into the different programming languages available in the TA Portal. The most important ones in the Siemens world are ladder logic, function block diagram, and structured control language. You will learn how each one works in detail. Hands-on practice is extremely important to me. That's why I will show you the first steps of PLC programming using real hardware. I explain more complex instructions using cool animations and realistic virtual systems. This makes the course more fun, interactive, and helps you deeply understand each concept. In the next chapter, we explore more advanced instructions like edge detection and flip-flops. Regularly, it's your turn. I will give you exercises to solve on your own. If you get stuck, no worries. Afterward, I will show you my program. That way you can benefit from my 15+ years of experience as a PLC programmer. In chapter 4 and 5, you will learn how to work with timers and counters, two essential instructions that you will find in nearly every PLC program. In chapter 6, we move on to more complex topics. We will look at advanced instructions like comparators, math functions, move operations, and data type conversion. And in chapter 7, you will learn how to write structured, efficient code using functions and function blocks. I will also show you how to create reusable blocks you can use over and over again. This saves time and makes your programming much more efficient. PLC programming doesn't have to be boring or difficult. You just need the right teacher. If this sounds interesting to you, head over to my website and click the blue button. Here you will find more detailed information about the course. And once you have decided to join, just click the checkout button. All that's left to do is enter your details, choose a payment method and click Buy Now. You will immediately receive an email with your login details and you can get started right away. Once you enroll in the course, you will get access to this members area. There you will find a wide range of training videos. Simply watch them one by one. Hello, my name is Florian and I am your PLC coach. You are watching the first video of my PLC only course. If you ever get stuck, no problem. Under each video there is a comment section where you can ask me questions directly. After completing the course, I will send you a certificate of participation. This course might be the first step toward an exciting new career. I would love to welcome you to the course today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. See you soon, your PLC coach Florian.